I'm Roy Garvey and I'm currently working for BAM as a civil engineer apprentice.
I'm Kai Hunter and I've been working with BAM as a quantity surveyor apprentice for 3 months.
My role was to sort of tie in with the already established engineers at BAM and learn off what they're doing.
And I'm involved basically with the financial aspect of it. All of it to do with invoicing, dealing with subcontractors on site.
Another big benefit to the degree that I'm doing is I've got experienced staff members and colleagues on site with me who can help me with everything, because not only have they been there and done that, but they've been in the industry a lot longer than me. It's almost like instead of being sat in a library, studying up at uni, you're actually on site hearing it from first hand from people who have been there and done that. So that helps your growth massively.
It just gets you off on the right foot. You're learning and earning money at the same time, and that's a big aspect. It's setting you up for the future. You've got work experience, and project managers will see your experience and think we're a good candidate for it.
At the end of the day, you're going to get the 4 years of, not just being in a uni learning theory stuff, but you're actually going to be out on site and getting 4 years of working experience. So once you finish that apprenticeship, hit the ground running and you'll be able to go anywhere.
So today we finished up on site and it's a drive you always look forward to. We're going to uni for our first block and going through the Scottish countryside, it's probably one of the most beautiful things you could probably see. It's just such a great drive. So we're going up to UHI and it's probably an experience you never would have imagined. A lot of people go day release at Glasgow Cali or Strathclyde, universities like that, and it's an experience I'm looking forward to.
No, I believe that my degree will be better than others, not only because you get site experience. You're on site for two months at a time, and you're learning all the practical stuff that you need to be successful in this industry. It's exciting when you're coming to the last 2-3 weeks and you're going to head up to uni, or you're coming back to site, because it's brilliant. I love it. My proudest moment coming onto site and actually feeling part of a team. Not just the engineering team that I'm involved with, but even like Sakai and all the QSEs, all the workers. You feel like you're in a real close family.
For me, it's probably getting the job. When the phone call came through, it's like, is it good news, is it bad news? And then it's just sort of overwhelming relief when you get that phone call and it was good news, and you can sort of like relax a wee bit and just look forward to it starting.